and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a little review of a product. It is a coffee product and I drink coffee every day, so this is definitely something that I am very interested in trying. So this company did send me this product to try, however it's not sponsored, so my opinion is going to be totally my own. I'm going to share my actual review of what I think. So I will put the name of the company right here. And I haven't opened it yet, so this is what came in it, that. And then this I think is the actual coffee product. Let's open this first. I don't know what this is. Oh, is it a straw? What is this? Oh, so cute. Okay, so it came with a gold metal straw. Oh, and then another gold metal straw that has like a twisty on it. So cute. These are perfect for iced coffees. I always use metal straws because they're just the easiest thing to use and I just pop them in the dishwasher. So that is awesome. I'm very excited to try those out. Okay, and then this is the actual coffee. I think it's designed to make just iced coffee, but I will see. It's summertime, so obviously iced coffee is the way to go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If I didn't know what it was, I might think that it was like cough syrup. It says, simply take 1 to 2 teaspoons of Microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. So it is like a concentrated coffee liquid, so you only use like a tiny amount. I don't like my coffee crazy strong, so I think I'll do 1 teaspoon. I put some ice in my cup, and then I'm going to use oat milk. And I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon of this, because then if it's not strong enough, I can just add another teaspoon. If it's too strong, I can't take away. Okay. I like the smell of it. It smells good. This is half a teaspoon, so I'm going to do 2 of these. So I'm going to pour those in. And then I'm going to pour my oat milk in. I'm gonna throw these in the dishwasher, so I didn't have time to wash them, so I'm just gonna use a metal straw that I already have. And mix this up. My ice got super comfy. I like vanilla flavoring quite a bit, so I think I might try this again with some vanilla flavoring, but I want to try it as is first. Okay, so it's a nice, I don't know if you can see, it's a nice color. For the strength that I like my coffee, I think this will be good. Okay, this is going to be my first taste test. I also just brushed my teeth, which is probably not the best idea, but. Okay. It's definitely strong. Definitely 1 teaspoon is plenty for me. I could also add more oat milk. I didn't fill up my cup. This is, not sure how many ounces this cup is. It's like a grande Starbucks cup, I think. And I didn't fill it all the way up. It's definitely strong. I definitely see why they say don't add too much. It's definitely a strong flavor. It has a very strong aftertaste, like after I sip it, then I kind of taste it. It's definitely good. It's also just super easy to use because you just throw in a teaspoon and... Okay, so I drank a bit more of it, so I'm gonna share a bit more of my thoughts. So I love how convenient it is if you are in a rush in the morning. So right now I'm actually about to go to work, so I was just gonna have a quick coffee before I go to work. And it's super convenient for making a quick iced coffee because You just throw in a teaspoon of this and your whatever milk you like. I obviously am trying it with oat milk, but I think it would be delicious with any type of milk. It is such a strong flavor that it definitely kind of overpowers the milk. I don't really taste the strong oat flavor, which I think some people might like that about it. So I love the convenience of it. It's definitely super quick and easy. I think this bottle would last quite a while. It says 30 servings. I don't know if that is if you are using 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, it would make 30 servings. But for me, I definitely only need 1, maybe even half a teaspoon because the flavor is quite strong. Or I just need to add a little bit more milk than I'm adding. I love the convenience of it. I love the taste of it. I think it is a very like strong coffee taste, and it is a very good coffee taste in my opinion. So I definitely like the taste of it, and it tastes really good with my oat milk. I guess the only thing I wish is that I could make a hot version, which I don't know. I'll have to look it up if you can like heat this up and make a hot version. Because I only really like iced coffee in the summer. In the winter, where I live, it's quite cold, so I love having like a hot coffee. Okay, so I looked up some information so that I could share a little bit more information on this. So it says that 1 teaspoon has 80 to 100 milligrams of caffeine, so the same as just like a normal cup of coffee basically. It says an unopened bottle is good for 6 months. Once you open it, you want to refrigerate it, and it is best to use it 4 to 6 weeks. So that is good to know. I actually didn't know that I needed to refrigerate it. I feel like it doesn't say that on here. It really does not say that on here. So you do need to refrigerate that. I wish that it said it on the bottle, just because I'm the worst for not following how long things are good for, putting them in the right place. So it says that all of our coffee beans are sourced from small, reliable farmers to maintain a consistent flavor profile. We only purchase from farms that produce organic and fair trade coffees. And obviously, because you're making it at home, you are not using like the reusable Starbucks cups and stuff, so that also helps with the environment. This is not sold at any stores. You do have to order it online. I will put all the information below on if you want to check it out and order it. I do think that this is only designed to make cold coffee. I can't find any information on if you can make hot coffee. Oh, okay, and their website has lots of cool recipes, so I might have to try some of these out. So there's like caramel oat milk latte, so I'll probably try that because I love oat milk and caramel. There's a strawberry shortcake frappuccino, sparkly vanilla rose Americano. That sounds good. Whipped cream coffee, iced Javy mocha frappuccino. So it's definitely designed for like cold drinks, which is perfect because it's summer right now. So I think for me, I will probably just get this in the summer months because it's only good for 4 to 6 weeks anyway. So I'll use it for the summer and then use something else for hot drinks for the winter. I love how they sent me the reusable straws, and I think that it definitely is a lot better to be making coffee at home instead of buying coffee, both for the environment and my bank account. Because it gets very pricey buying coffee every day from Starbucks. So being able to make iced coffee at home is definitely going to be a good thing. And this is also very quick. So if you're in a big rush in the mornings, sometimes I do not get up as early as I would like to, and all of a sudden I need to leave and I really want coffee. This takes probably 30 seconds to make. Not even. I also have a decaf version. So if you love the taste of coffee and don't want the caffeine, or you drink coffee later in the day and want to be able to sleep, they do have a decaf version. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sending me your coffee to try. It is a very strong, delicious coffee. I'm very excited about the straws and this cute little bag that I'm gonna keep them in. There's also a little cleaning brush. Super cute. And I am excited to finish my cup of coffee and try some different recipes with it. After reading through those recipes, I think caramel would taste really good with it. The flavor of this, it tastes like it would be very good with caramel. So I am definitely gonna have to try that. Thank you so much for watching. I will put the information below if you are wanting to check out their website or order some products. And I will see you in the next video.